How to use Google Lens for shopping. Are you guys facing issues to use Google Lens for your shopping? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Google Lens will help you to find the product names and its details. Just open the Google app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you can see the option for Google Lens over here. Just tap on it. Once you click on it, now take the picture of the product or the shopping product that you want detail of. Click the picture. As soon as you click the picture, Google Lens will provide you the information about it. So as you guys can see, the product name and its detail. With the help of this Google Lens, you can easily buy the products through the online shopping store. And that's it guys, that's how you can use Google Lens app for shopping. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.